A very good morning to all of you guys. Yes, welcome back. Welcome back to the live class. The pre-open rates has been settled now. So Nifty is opening 68 points negative. So that's the Nifty. So Nifty is now settled at 24,899. So this 899 is here is a 900 almost. So let me switch to a 5-minute chart. This is yesterday's trading session, yes, and it moved exactly the same way we've been discussing from last few trading session that Nifty has a resistance around 25,000 like that. So if you see the yesterday's performance also, I think you all can see my screen. Is my screen and voice clear to everybody? Just confirm in the chat, guys. So here, if you see, then right now it's opening around 900. So that's around at the previous day's low. Yes, isn't it? So previous day's low is here around 900. That's where it is opening. So let's see. The lower trajectory is around 850. So if after opening at a 900, if it goes to this zone 850, that would be a great buy zone, and I think this should be bought into. So my understanding about the market is just for the analysis purpose that this is the lower trajectory of the sideways move. So if it comes down to the lower trajectory, uh, it should find support out there. So we are this is a 15-minute chart. We are opening right into the 15-minute 200, and from there if we drift towards the lower trajectory it's a support zone. So we are opening very good as per my understanding about the market price action, everything. And out of my 14 years of experience in the market, this is the one kind of the best opening in the market ever. So we need to see how it performs after the open. But as far as the initial preparations and the initial market prep is concerned, I think it is opening in the support zone. Is this first message clear to all? Just type SZ support zone in the chat. Now, after opening here, since it's a huge gap from the previous week, so below 850, this opens up, this downside opens up. But as long as it stays within this now, within this, again, it should be played back and forth within the range itself. So 25,100 on the top and 24,850 on the bottom. That's the range for the Nifty. And the sideways strategy to any market is that you uh, trade around the extremities, around the upper boundary or the lower boundary, and between the zone there is no setup, no nothing to look for. Yes, no trade in that zone. So that's it. This is all about the Nifty. Let's see how it opens. So Nifty is 68 points. If I also add the Bank Nifty, let's see how much Bank Nifty settled in the pre-open. Bank Nifty settled at 55,000. So Bank Nifty also at the lower trajectory. So if Nifty goes to 850, Bank Nifty might test the 54,650, and that is again a good support zone for the price. So market is opening in the support zone, and after open, if it further goes off, further goes down, that will again take it to the better buy zones, better support zones. So let me refresh the FYERS account, and here if you see, Nifty opened, guys. Yeah, the opening tick we are witnessing, the low of the opening tick is 882, and after the opening, this moving up. So almost 40 points it moved, but let the first 5 minute candle settle down. Yes, a lot of people they feel very excited after looking at the first opening tick, but we need to let this get settled out before we analyze it, before we think of the next step for the day. So the best traders, what they do is they plan the trades as per the structure, price action, setups, psychology, risk management, and then they trade the plan, right? So no hurry, no rush, no FOMO. Yes, just watch the price action. Try to follow the price. Yes, everybody. So let's watch the market for 2 minutes. Let this candle get settled out. So, guys, I hope you're following the market. And this is the same thing we expected to happen in the yesterday's class. If you remember, I told you that these are the upper boundaries and the lower boundaries, and price is expected to remain within this range back and forth. Further, yes, further downside is expected below 850, and further upside is expected beyond 25,100. That should offer around 250 points, if you remember. Yes, everybody? So, this is the first tick. If you see the today's CPR, the daily CPR in the Nifty, side by side, I have kept both the charts. This side, on the left hand side, you have Nifty's chart. On the right hand side, you have Bank Nifty's chart. In both the in both the this Nifty and Bank Nifty, if you see, daily CPRs are narrow, right? Daily CPRs are narrow. So that's the one thing. Both are expected to, uh, you know, give a directional move. So both CPRs are narrow. Yes. Rest, apart from this, if you see, you know, if you see the Nifty Bank Nifty, I think they are hitting the lower trajectory. But remember, whenever they are even hitting the lower trajectory, there is no direct confirmation in the price, okay, that we should buy or not. The confirmation comes after there is a, after there is you know, after there is a buy event, a buy setup. So right now, if you look at the chart, there is no buy setup. So we need to give it time. Yes, we need to give it time to perform in our favor, right? No immediate setup out there. And the way Nifty is falling, there may be the 850, that lower trajectory is broken now. So, if the lower trajectory is broken, this may continue to drift towards further lower side. If not, if it makes a buy event here, then only there will be the reversal confirmation. As of now, if you're seeing the price, the setup, it looks bearish. So currently, market is looking weak. Now, after 850, if you see, the support zones are at 750 and 700. So two levels are there. So the way Nifty is falling, it may go to 750 or 700 also in the today's trading session. So far, absolutely market is bearish. Yes, the way Nifty opened and drifting down, this is bearish setup, bearish view. So in this case, 750 and 700s are likely to come. Any questions on this, guys? If you're liking the session, please hit the like button. If there is anything to ask, please put it in the chat and I'll get back to you. I'll answer your query. So far, Nifty's low is 798. First 5-minute candle, then follow through below that. And Bank Nifty reached to the 54 6, this zone 670. And if I check it out here, Nifty on a 60-minute. So basically, what's happening in the market is that Nifty is trying to fill the gap. Nifty absolutely broken the lower trajectory. There is no sign of reversal on the chart. There is no sign of revival currently. Nifty absolutely um, broken the lower trajectory. And if we get follow through below 850, 750 and 700s can be tested in the rest of the day. Yes, so that's the one thing. This is 60 minute. On a 15 also this should be broken. So like this market is, yes. And why this instability is because we had a huge gap up last week. So market somehow trying to find the stability by filling the gap in my guesses. And so far this has broken the lower trajectory and seems like we may see fall further in the rest of the day. Yeah. So that's why if you see all the stocks are down as well. Vedanta is down today because of the dividend declaration. Yes, dividend of 16 rupee is paid. So because of that 16 rupee dividend, Vedanta opened 16 rupee down, and this is at the again back to 432 levels. Yes. So this is how Vedanta is. So Vedanta it has declared the good dividend, and around 430 is a great entry zone in this as well. So that's my view about the Nifty and Bank Nifty. So my view about it is bearish. I'm just trying to conclude this session. The way Nifty is falling, it is a weak structure. There is the bearish pressure in the market, and this is likely to continue. I think 750 or 700 we may see in the rest of the day. As far as Bank Nifty is concerned, let's check out Bank Nifty's chart again. This is how is the Bank Nifty, and if you remember from last week, Bank Nifty been underperforming. So out of two Nifty, Bank Nifty is underperforming. So Bank Nifty is also coming off. And I think slowly it is also reaching the support area, support zone. And around 54 500 it has major support zone. So I think that's the area where Bank Nifty should also find the support. Yes, because that's the 4 hour 200. So I think there must be a support zone out there. Yes, it is there and it should find. So let the market fall and make a bottom, and then the rainy season would be over and we'll see the sun shining brighter. Yes, so no worries, nothing to worry about. This is a regular fall and rise of the market. Stay invested. Do follow your risk management, trade well, and we'll have green days too. Yeah, any questions? So guys, if you liked the session, please hit the like button. Yes, at least I'm expecting 20 likes here. Okay, so tomorrow is a market off, so we may see profit booking also throughout the day. So tomorrow is 27th, and on the occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi, market is off, and now we will have market open day after tomorrow. So I think the premium will decay very very fast, and for that reason only markets are behaving like this. And from the lower levels also market is continuously falling. So that's this shows that profit booking is taking place. But again, with the new series, with the September series, you'll see buying coming back in the market. So be strategic, follow the rules, yes, and get ready to buy around the bottoms, and then you'll see the market finding support and going higher. Yeah. Okay, all right. Thank you so much for joining in. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care. Thanks.